Imagine hopping on an old-fashioned train that chugs through stunning nature, with big trees and a giant mountain in the background. The train makes cool sounds, and the views are amazing. That's what the Mount Rainier Scenic Railroad is all about. This train isn't just for getting from one place to another. It's like a time machine. It takes you back to a time when trains were super important, and the world moved a bit slower. The train ride lets you enjoy the beauty of nature and the feeling of being far away from the hustle and bustle of daily life. So come along with us as we explore the history, the incredible scenery, and the timeless magic of the Mount Rainier Scenic Railroad train ride.
Got it.
Some elder stuff.